Ujjayi Pranayam. Ujjayi Pranayam is again done either in Padmasana or cross-legged position with your spine straight, or if you can't sit on the floor, you can practice it at your chair. To practice Ujjayi Pranayam, you have to roll your tongue, twist your tongue like this, like you create this sound. So, you touch your tongue, same way you roll your tongue inside. And then you inhale from your nose, exhale from your nose, but while inhaling, you can feel the air touching your nostrils, touching your glands and going deep inside your throat. You create the sound of snoring while inhaling and create the sound of snoring while exhaling. This way you practice it, you start with 5 rounds and you increase it till 10 rounds. It is a wonderful practice. When you do this fake snoring, you can actually say a goodbye to the natural snoring, which is the real cause of so many problems and even so many marital problems also these days. So, say a goodbye to snoring while practicing these Ujjayi Pranayam. It is a wonderful practice for sinusitis and all the problems related to your nose and throat area, and it is one of the best practice for the problem of thyroid as well.